No, you're not sleeping now. The dark is too hard to beat, and I'm not keeping now the strength I need to push me. You show the lights that stop me, do stop on me shining when I'm alone, and so I tell myself that I'll be strong and dreaming when they're gone, 'cause they're calling, calling, calling me home, calling, calling, calling home. You show the lights that stop me, do stop on me shining when I'm alone.
This my life, ain't no kid, no mic. And I'm coming from the dark side, but still my mind extremely bright. Call me Edison, the way I'm illuminating what I write. Through my audio, I help all my audience the light. I'm that bridge, If you think there's still a gap between that hardcore EDM and this hip-hop thing called rap, I'm just trying to live my dream. They trying to give me nightmares, I'm ahead of my time. I would say about light years. Try to measure my votes, try to measure my watts, try to measure my plan, but you'll never measure my plot. And the courtesy's on mine. 45's a red wine. Put your chair back and recline and unwind. It's time. Lights.
Putain, les coasters, c'est abusé, mec.
Feeling like a target, snipers got me right in they sight. And I lost my girlfriend, now my life is in a whirlwind. So I'm humble on the outside, but I'm crumbling within. I've been feeling like these lights are symbolizing my fate. If I'm supposed to meet my maker, then just tell him I'ma be late. Cause I
off my shoulders, someone take me home. Home, a place where I can go to take this off my shoulders. Someone take me home.
Look, I didn't power through the struggle just to let a little trouble knock me out of my position and interrupt the vision. After everything I witnessed, after all of these decisions, all these miles, feet, inches, they can't add up to the distance that I have been through just to get to a place where even if there's no closure, I'm still safe. I still ache from trying to keep pace. Somebody give me a sign, I'm starting to lose faith. So I gotta make it back, but my home ain't on the map. Gotta follow what I'm feeling to discover where it's at. I need the
Ouais. Et allez, c'est validé. Et de 2. Allez, c'est bon, je peux rentrer chez moi. J'en aurais fait qu'une, j'aurais été dégoûté. Là, il y en a 2 qui sont passés. Je m'en bats les couilles, c'est validé. Allez, que c'était beau. Bavette, 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 bavette. Bavette, 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 bavette.
It's been a long time